Hi guys, in this video we will see how to page setup or set up margins of your Google Docs page. Simply launch Google Docs page. Here go to files from the top menu bar, and here under drop down menu go to page setup. Click on it and a new pop-up window will appear. Page setup. Here pages and page list. Here whole documents, orientation, portrait or landscape. Choose paper size, choose a paper size, choose a paper color, choose a paper color, margins top, bottom, left and right. Choose a margin in inches, top, bottom, left and right. You can increase or decrease margins from here, and also you can set as default page setup. If you want to set up this setting is a default setup, then choose set as default and click on OK. This is your default setup of your whole pages in futures and current pages also, and you can successfully set a new margins of your Google Docs page.